How do I sell affiliate products? Hi, Massimo here, and this was another question that another members of my Facebook group asked me when joining my group. When you join my group on Facebook, there are three questions you have to answer. Okay, and one is what is the thing that you are struggling the most with your affiliate marketing business or with your business? Okay, and then there are other two questions. You know which ones? Just search for my Facebook group. Ask me for my Facebook group where you can join, and you will know the other two questions. Okay, but how do I sell products with affiliate marketing? Okay, online. Well, this is there are many ways to sell products when you are working online. Okay, and every affiliate marketing program has its ways, but all those ways can be then compressed to just one single principle, which is you have to grab the attention of the people and then find out if they have the problem, which is then solved from what you are selling. This is basically how you sell stuff, everything, even online. So I remember that there are two ways to do this thing. And I remember I was using the first way, which was the hardest one, which was contacting people, starting asking questions. It is what is called qualifying the customer. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you are going to ask questions in order to understand what is wanted and needed from that person, and to see if he or she qualifies to your offers. Is the one right for your offer? If from the question it happens that he or she he is unqualified for your product or service. This is what qualifying the prospect, the customers means. Okay, I didn't find this definition quite easily, but this is a little gift that I am giving to you. This is what I understood. Maybe there is something more. Surely there is something more. But you can find the meaning and the definition of the word on the internet, and then go there, or just use this one, which is quite useful and workable. Okay, so basically what you have to do is to qualify your prospect, and if they qualify, then you can. If they qualify, it means that they are the right ones for your offer. Okay, then you propose them your offers. And the two ways are you go. Okay, let me tell you how I was doing this when I was doing not that much good. So you know what is better not to do. Okay, so you can learn from some of my mistakes. I remember that I was doing like this. I was contacting the person, and then asking them if how they were doing. I was building the relationship. Okay, how are you doing and so on. And then I was asking them if they needed blah blah blah, whether they needed blah 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 or not. Okay, and so sometimes amongst a large amount of people, one of them were answering me, yes, I need this, I would like to do this and so on, I would like to add this because I have this problem and so on. And this means that I was using a lot of time trying to qualify my prospect. A lot of people, fortunately, Facebook and Instagram give you, and all the platforms, LinkedIn and so on, give you tons of people that you can reach and speak with and try to qualify without any limit, if you do this in the right way. because if you do this in the wrong way, you will be blocked from Facebook, from Instagram. It didn't happen to me to LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, which is a professional platform, kind of Facebook Facebook platform, but for professionals, not for everyone. LinkedIn didn't look to have the same limitations problems. So basically, LinkedIn is virtually unlimited pool of potential customers without no limits in contacting them. There is only one limit. If you don't know them directly, you cannot send them direct message. But there are other ways so that you can reach them, and this maybe will be another a subject for another video. Okay, so basically I was doing this, reaching out. I was going to the people, and I was just making qualification. I was qualifying them, like the Klondike, the Alaska gold miners, gold searchers, a lot of sands and water and muck going through this. I don't remember the English name, and then some from time to time, some piece of gold inside them, and it was taking a lot of time, and I didn't have all that time. Until I discovered that there is a second way to do this. The second way to do this, which is always promoted, but not many tell you exactly how it works. How it works, because it is something that has a lot of value, and I agree with the fact that this is an information that for the value that it has, especially for the hustle and all the efforts that every person puts in order to discover how it works, this value must be given with something in exchange. Okay, but anyway, the second way to do this, which is quite more relaxed from a certain point of view, is instead to go and chase the wrong targeted people, the wrong people, okay, just make so that the right interested people to your offer comes to you. It's way much easier. It makes your life way much easier. And then your problem is no more how to fill your pipeline, your pipeline with people, okay, in order to have people for your offer. The problem will be how to manage the over delivering of what you are giving, and the great amount of people requesting your offer. The problem will shift, okay, and you will be. Personally, I am more happy to solve this kind of problem. I have to help people to teach them how to build their business and so on from scratch, or to scale their existing business on. This is my service or product, okay. Then having the problem to where I find people who want to create a business or to scale their business, and this is the shift, a huge shift. And the point was that there must be it is the same process that I was doing at the beginning, but the qualifying process, instead to be done from me chasing the people, it is done from a funnel, sales funnels, which attract people, and then they go through this automatic qualifying system, and the sales funnel process will find the right people who can be the ones needing and wanting what I have to offer as a solution to their real problem. Okay, and even more, it will make aware to this, to some of them, that they have this problem, okay, and then it will be automatically sell what I have to offer them as a solution. Great, this is great, right? No more chasing your people, no more people telling you no, I'm not interested. So the no's, the quote unquote no numbers of no that I'm getting now, I think is something like maybe 2 or 3%, because most of the people, maybe 5%, okay, most of the people who come and then ask me for informations, okay, because anyway there is always this human touch desire from people, okay. When I give them the informations, okay, the extra information that they want to have before to decide to start with buying or getting what I have to offer, is really a little amount, the ones who are saying no, because they are saying already no to the funnel, but I don't even perceive, I don't know about them, I know only about the people who start buying, or the people who goes into my follow-up series, email series, okay. And there are people in the follow-up email series who then ask me more information about that particular thing that they read on my mail, which engaged them, and in order to understand whether that can be the real solution for them. I understand what they are asking me, and I see whether it can really solve their problem. And then if it is, and they understand that this is what is solving their problems, well, they are going to click on my link and start to get the offer that I want to offer them. Okay, sorry for the word chokes. Okay, but basically this is how it works. The way you sell stuff online is the same way you sell stuff on in real life. The only huge difference, there are two differences, one minor and one huge difference. The minor difference is that you are not in direct contact with people like in the real world. So the rejection is felt less, is less impacting. But the major advantage is that if you use funnels, okay, you don't even know about rejection anymore, okay, because all the stuff, what you need is driving traffic into the funnels, and it will take care of everything, and interested people will just either buy your products or go into your email follow-up, okay, campaign, so that they will stay always, that you will stay always in their mind, remember about you, done in a way which is not annoying, okay, with a acceptable frequency, but especially when you do this in the right way, the people is eager to open your next email, okay, to know what there is now for them, because you're providing value, okay. And when the time will come, the motto, you have to be in the right place in the right moment. Well, this is the way. The follow-up email campaign is the way to be in the right place in front of them in the right moment when they need it. Right place in front of them in the right moment when they need it. Okay? So you can really build all of this. You can build this, and the best way in order to learn how to sell with funnels in an efficient way, because funnels don't sell automatically. They sell if they are built in a certain way, with certain principles, a certain structure in the selling text used in the funnel, or in the selling video used in the funnel, okay? And with a certain kind of offer, which there must be an irresistible offer, which is really stupid to say, no, I refuse this offer, And the best way to learn how to use this kind, the first kind of funnel, successful funnels, not second kind of funnel, the failing ones, sorry, okay, is to do the one funnel away challenge, same training that I did. You will get all this knowledge, and you will be followed up from professionals live for 30 days, okay, non-stop. Just like 1 or 2 hours of training every day. Some days you will need more, some days you will need less, so this is just an average. And when you will go back home, you are already at home, you will go back home with practical skills, theory, knowledge about the theory, and with your first or next, if this is not your first one funnel away challenge, with your first or next funnel ready to go and to be put on the internet, helping you to earn money, helping others. So, how do I start, Massimo? You just click on the link, which can be up, down, everywhere, okay, in this video, or comment on the post where you're watching this video, or send me a personal message on Facebook or on Instagram, or on LinkedIn if you are watching this on LinkedIn, and I will give you the information you need to check and then start. Okay, so thank you for your time. I appreciate it even today. I know that your time has value, and see you into the next video. Ciao.